Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Ichariskiri Marsha from class management 23C with NPM 234-11059. This video I wanted to explain and bring to materi about creating and managing organizational culture. The relationship between organizational design and culture. Organizational design encompasses culture, system, process, and culture. Organizational culture is the invisible element that influence how system and structure operate. Structure determines how we work, and while culture determines and why and how we behave. Definitions of organizational culture. Organizational culture is the seat of the shared values, beliefs, norms, and behavior that shape how members of an organization's interests and work. Its influence 1. Interpersonal relationships among employees, and 2. Attitude towards change and innovations, and 3. Risk taking and decisions making, and 4. Last, work motivations and employee totality. Organizational design refers to purposes of structuring an organization, roles, responsibility, system, and workflow to efficiently achieve strategic goals. These include 1. Have to hierarchy and reporting structure, functional metric and plans, and 2. Divisions of labor and specialization, and 3. Coordination and decisions making minimized, and 4. Communications and workflow challenge. Real world example. Google uses a flat the best structure that aligns with its innovations and open culture, and 2. Have to military organization operate with the hierarchical and bureaucratic structure aligned with the culture of disciplines, order, and obedience. And that organizational design is the formal framework of an organization, while organizational culture is the personality or soul. Both must be aligned to ensure organizational effectiveness, adaptability, and long-term success. And next, the role of the culture in organizational design. The culture is not only a result of organizational designs, but also a determinant of structural efficiency, a guide to work behavior, a supporter of organizational strategy, a mechanism for adapting to change. Organizational culture is not only a result of how organizational is structured, it's also a powerful force that shapes and sustains the effectiveness of organizational design. Culture plays a positive role in determining how culture functions in practice. Below are you four key roles that culture plays in spanning and supporting organizational design. A determinant of the structural effectiveness. Culture affects how well the chosen organizational structure functions. Even a well-designed structure can fail if the underlying culture does not support it. Example, a decentralized structure will only work effectively in a culture that values autonomy and accountability. Implications, structure, and culture must be aligned to ensure operational success, and two have to avoid to work behavior. Culture provides unwritten rules that guide employee behavior, decision making, and interactions, often more formal job or place. Example, in a culture that values collaborations, employees are more likely to communicate across the department, even in a hierarchical culture. Implications, culture fill the gaps where formal structure and rules fall short. And three, support of organizational strategy. A strong culture reinforces strategic goals and provides the social framework that motivates employees to work toward common objectivities. Example, a culture of innovation supports a strategy focus and R&D and repeat product employed. And four, a mechanism for adapting to change. In a rapidly changing environment, culture can as stabilizing force that help the organizations remain resilient and adaptable. Example, a culture that embraces learning and experimentations allow the organizations to pivot quickly in response to market shift. Implications, culture can enter, accelerate, or hinder organizational change effort. That's the last conclusions. While organizationals profit the structure, culture profit the spirit to achieve long-term ethics fitness. The risk of design that is not allegiance with the culture. A mismatch between the structure and culture can lead to internal conflict, discretes motivations in loyalty, ambiguity in discussion making, development of the toxic culture. A mismatch between organizational structure and organizational culture can lead to serious risks that impact the overall performance, well-being, and sustainability of the organizational. When structure and culture are not aligned, it creates internal frictions and undermines strategic goals. Below are the four main risks of misalignment between design and culture. And one, internal conflict. When the formal structure contradicts the informal norm and value of the organizational, it often lead to tension between individual or team. Example, a rigid a rigid bureaucratic structure within a culture that values autonomy can frustrate employee and focus frictions with leadership. Result, increased conflict, reduced teamwork, and poor collaboration. And two, discrete motivation and loyalty. When the structure limits the experience of the organization's core values, employed may feel dissatisfied and undervalued. Example, a highly controlled environment within a culture that promotes innovations can make employees feel resting and understood. Result allow morale, high turnover, and loss of top talent. And three, ambiguity and indications making. Misalignment can create focuses around authority and discussion making, especially when the structure and culture send mixed message. Example, a top-down structure in the culture that encourages openness, and shared discussion making. Results delay in discussions and lack of strategy clarity. And 4. Development of the toxic culture. If the structural supportness of the contradicts healthy culture values, it can give rise to a toxic workplace culture. Example, a high pressure, number driven structure in the culture that value inclusions and employee well-being. Results blame culture, office politics, burnout, and distrust. An organizational design that on not aligned with the culture does more than reduce efficiency. It can also erode through damage more and create long-term organizational dysfunctions. For sustainable success, structure and culture must be developed in harmony, reinforcing each other at every level of organization. Next, design tools for the shaping culture. Organizational structure, flat, hierarchical, metric, incentive, and reward system. Workspace design and communications, internal policy, and reduce. Culture symbolism, enforce ritual and story. The way an organizational structure directly influences how people behave and interact. Flat structure promotes openness, collaborations, and quick discussions making. Hierarchical structure support control, order, and clarity of authority. Metric structure encourages flexible, cross-functional teamwork and shared responsibility. Example, a flat structure supports a culture of the empowerment and innovation. Incentive and reward system. What get reward get rebates, compensations, recognitions, and promotions create signal what the organizational truly values. Individual incentive may promote competitions and performance-driven culture. Team-based reward support collaborations and collective accountability. Example, encouraging learning and experimentations foster a culture of innovations. And 3. Workspace design and communication challenge. The physical and digital environment impact how employees feel, interact, and communicate. Open space promotes transparency and teamwork. Private office may support focus, and an open workspace with an informal meeting area support the culture of the openness and accessibility. And 4. Internal policy and procedure. A flexible policy supports autonomy and trust. Strict producer promotes consistency and risk control. Example, a flexible remote work policy support a culture of true work-life balance. And last, culture symbolism. Symbolism creates emotional and social connections to the culture that include uniform and dress codes, ritual and celebrations, and story and legends about the organizational past or key figure. Example, culture example, telling story of how employees went above the beyond refers a culture of customer service or dedications. And the conclusions, design tools like the structure, reward, environment, policy, and symbolism acts as lever to shape organizational culture intentionally by aligning that element with the cultural goals leader and can embed values into everyday actions, ensuring culture isn't just a statement on paper but a lived experience. Case study optional. Example work culture at Netflix. Structure minimal, bureaucracy, values freedom and responsibility. And system transparent performance evaluations, results, innovations, adaptivity, and fast indications making. And the last, conclusions. Culture and organizational designs are two sides of the same coin. Culture must be strategically shaped and managed through organizational design. Leader, system, and structure must coincidentally reverse the organizational core values. So everyone, that's all about informations and explain material today. I'm Icaskiri Marsha. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.